All right, guys, happy Friday. What a beautiful day it is. Today's Friday 24th. This client found us online, came out about a week ago, did an estimate. They booked on the spot, got their deposit, 50% down, and they are excited. They actually put this house in the market. Beautiful, beautiful property here in Millstadt, Illinois, here in the Midwest. And we got the AO hardwood floor division fleet out. We got Bridget and our main tech of hardwood floor sanding, Jerry Sr. on the scene, and we are making it happen. But not very nice property. If you guys are in the market and you live here in the area, check them out. Nice little property in Millstadt off I think it's 45 Saxey Lane, I believe it is. But we got everything ready. We're gonna put a screen and recoat on about 815 square feet of hardwood, red oak, on-site finished. And then we're gonna come back Tuesday and do this dining room and kitchen setting, because it's just, you can see it's so far gone. I recommended a sand refinish because they do want to put the house in the market. So because this is exposed, we do recommend a full sanding. So my sanding team will be back on Tuesday just to do this area here, which is about 400 square feet. And then in the meantime, we're gonna sand it, we're gonna screen and refinish the rest, so it all looks uniform. So you guys remember, we got Senior on the scene, the one and only. He's my main tech. Guys are hard to keep up with them, and he's the one on my van. He's my main guy. So I'll show you the rest we're doing. And no, we're gonna correct. Yep. So we got this area here we're doing. So you guys have this kind of floor. This is on site. This means all that there's no bevels, and this is a good indication that it can be screened real good. And we could screen pre-finish as well, but on site is my favorite. So, which means it doesn't have any AO little moxide on there or anything like that. So you can just sell just little dull scuffs, things like that. He wants it revived. So this is a good candidate for a screen and recoat, guys. So we got the hallway here. He's gonna replace all the carpet. We got this area here. So, all right, guys, it's gonna be a good one. Stay tuned. As always, thanks for watching. All right, guys, we got the team now. We got Bridget vacuuming. We got Jerry Sr. screening. Again, guys, it's going good. You can see that we got good cutting going on, good abrasion. Again, AOCleaning.com, guys. VeganSaferFloors.com. Before you floor it, let AO restore it. Guys, just got good abrasion there. It's cutting good, as you guys can see. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Hey, let's go. Also, too, guys, what's convenient about this service, it's people love the convenience because the same day. We basically abrade your floors and cut it and take away all the contaminants, the dirt, debris, and the top coats, so we can reapply new and revive your hardwood. Again, this is a screen recoat, dustless, sandless option. This is a maintenance service, same day service. You can walk on in a few hours, and it's very popular. So Again, this does not replace sanding, but it is an option if your floor is losing its luster. You got a few, wear patterns and such. This is a good option. So in this case, this guy put this house in the market. He just wants the floors to look improved, and it was a perfect option. However, he did have some fading and some vulnerabilities in his kitchen dining room. So in that case, I do recommend a full sanding. So we're going to do that for him on Tuesday. So we do both options. We do a full sand restoration service and refinish, and a same day screen and recoat. So, and we also do just a clean and buff. So there's many options, but really it depends on what you're trying to convey. But in this case, guys, we're doing 2 services for this client. We're doing a screen recoat today, and then Tuesday we'll sand and refinish his floors. That would take probably 2 or 3 day duration. So that's a little recap, but we're doing about 800 square feet right now for him, and making sure that all the floors look uniform so we can sell this bad boy accordingly. So, all right, guys, I hope that added value to you. Don't forget to hit the bell, subscribe, like, follow, and share. And if you need a service and you're in the Midwest area, look up AOCleaning. And remember, before you floor it, let us restore it. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day. Stay clean. All right, guys, we just tacked the floor. As you can see, we're letting it dry. They're gonna do another little small tack, and then it's ready for the first coat. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're tacking the floor now with the tack cloth. Get all the hair and miscellaneous debris. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we are coating now, so you guys can see. And it's going good. I'm actually cutting in the edges, and we got Senior putting it down. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're done. As you can see, it's drying. We did mask it off because they can't walk on it until it's dry. You can see it already flashing off. And we got over there. You guys see, look at the sneak peek. Look how good that's looking, guys. See that? Beautiful. Yeah, that's gonna look great. All right, another successful job by AOCleaning Hardwood Floor Restoration. We got you covered. Stay tuned.